Take a look on this guy. It's a veggie naan pizza. What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mair. You're watching Mairbornhungry YouTube channel. I'm in Ocean City, Maryland, and this is Holiday Inn, and I just want to share with you guys the room where I love to stay. So this is a king suite room. Give you a small recipe with the room. So here you go. Welcome to the room. This is a living room area. So this is actually a sofa bed, and this is your dining. You can do dining, you can watch TV. So in the nighttime, if you have guests, you can make this a whole bed. It pulls out and becomes a whole bed. Come on in. Whole kitchen. This is almost whole kitchen right here. So I just want you to guys take a look, enjoy this spot. You have a washer dryer, you have a sink, you have coffee, you have even, they give you the, these guys. So this is like when you live here. So it's like you're living in a one bedroom apartment kind of stuff, and it's really good. So you have your oven, your stove. You guys can see that. Take a look here. Just want to show you. I like this jacuzzi actually. It's a small jacuzzi, but it's good. And wait for the best part. This is the bedroom, the king bedroom. This is the king size bed in here. Alright, so you have your own TV again here. For this view, you have whole Atlantic Ocean in front of you. So come on in, let me show you. So this is whole Atlantic Ocean view in Ocean City. Down you have a boardwalk. You cook your food, you sit down here, and you really enjoy it. Again, we're going back. I have a beautiful naan pizza recipe to share with you. So I went to a grocery market. I was like, let me grab naan and I want to cook something. Why not I should make ready-made naan pizza. So one will be the cheese pizza only. The second will be the veggie pizza. So I want to share this even though I don't have all of the utensils, all of the ingredients, which you get it in your home or studio kitchen or home kitchen. But here we can try this easy, simple recipe. I even don't have a pan to put my pizza on the top and put it in the oven. But this is a tricky recipe. I want to make this. If it doesn't come out right, I will let you know, but I'm sure it's gonna come right. I will use my experience to cook this. So let's go into the kitchen. So these are the ingredients I was able to get it. So these are the naan breads I was telling you guys about. So here you have 2 of naan breads. I got 2 packs, so if on one I get mess up, I have the second option here as well. What if we make this so good that we can make the same recipe at night for dinner, right? So these are our 2 naan breads. So I would say these are our 2 naan pizzas right here. First thing first, I have a bell pepper. I don't need a lot, so I just need just a little bit. You just slice it, 10 slices. So you want bell pepper to be cooked. Not too much, just tiny bit. I guess this is enough. Okay, I'll grab tomato. 1 tomato is okay because for the veggie pizza, I need that. Slice it from the middle. These are the juiciest tomatoes. Alright, so I just give the rough cut to 1 tomato. These are the cheeses. So I'm using mozzarella classic cheese and I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. I'm gonna mix both of them. Pizza sauce right here. So let's make this guy a cheese pizza first. So cheese pizza is very easy. Let's turn on our oven here. Bake, I want to put it for 300. It's on a pre, it's gonna take its time, and in the meantime we'll prepare our cheese pizza. So first, take the pizza sauce. This is a not too big naan, this is actually a tiny naan. Once you layer this, very easy, right? We'll slice open this from here, I guess. So I'm putting sharp cheddar cheese at the bottom. I should use this plate because the cheese gonna just spread everywhere. Cheese pizza should have a little extra cheese in there. Okay, it's all heavily layered. For the flavors, I have some garlic salt. Sprinkle some garlic salt. The cheese pizza is ready. Once the oven says you can add the food, we will put this straight without the plate in here. Let's work on to the veggie pizza. Again, marinara sauce. Pizza sauce. This is ready-made naan pizza in your oven. Once you get naan, you put these ingredients on top, and hopefully we'll make this delicious pizza. Add some mozzarella classic, but we are trying to put it on top of it. I'm just dropping cheese everywhere. Veggie pizza is going on here. Peppers, bell peppers. So just roughly. Just tomato. I have baby spinach. If you want to put the whole leaf, it's all fine. It's all okay. Just dress it like this. Gonna look great. I opened this can. Some of the black olives. So this is just the base layer. Some more cheese. So this will be our final layer. It's gonna taste pretty. All I know that. Alright guys, so this is our beautiful veggie pizza looking. Let's go, let's do this magic. Let's open this oven. I don't have a lot of tools to work with. So here it is. This is our cheese. Just landing it right here. And this is our veggie. Ready-made naan. Oh my god. It's soft. Just landing it carefully. Okay. I did drop some pieces. Close this down at 300 degrees. They are inside. Let's give them 15 minutes, and I know we will be surprised with this easy, simple, ready-made naan pizzas. And we are making two kinds. One is cheese and one is veggie. Alright, so I was looking inside. The only problem is we don't have the base for the pizza, so we have to make sure, see, it's getting there. It's been just 5 minutes. The bread needs to be onto flatter surface. This is what I'm trying. We already lost one tomato. So for now it's looking delicious actually. Let's put this back in. We lost one tomato from our veggie pizza, but it's all okay. We have tomatoes at the bottom, remember? So 10 more minutes. This is the moment of truth, okay? It's been 10 or 12 minutes. Let's take a look. OMG, it looks good. All right, yes, so we have a small casualty of losing one tomato. It's right there. I don't have a lot of tools to grab that guy, but it's all okay. All right. Okay, so here is our cheese one. I have a knife to cut it. I don't have a pizza cutter, okay? So the second cut. So 4 slices is enough. Okay. Looks delicious, isn't it? Okay, I think we got it. So this is our veggie one. Cut here. Take a look. Okay, it has the leaves. Take a look on this guy. It's a veggie naan pizza. Actually delicious. Do try this easy, simple recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next one.